Hi guys, a new interactive broker MCP arrived, which means that right now you can connect your favorite broker to your favorite LLM and talk to your portfolio as though it was a real person. And this is very exciting. However, in this video, I would like to compare where new interactive broker MCP stands against QuantConnect. What is differences, where similarities, and what are use cases for each of those tools? Without further ado, let's jump in. First of all, what is QuantConnect? QuantConnect is the systems of tools for automated trading. It allows you create and backtest trading strategies, deploy trading strategies to live servers nearby New York Stock Exchange, provide you two-way integrations with major brokers, and give you the full overview of your trading performance. In other words, QuantConnect is the systems of tools which allows you to fully automate your trading experience. And this is what QuantConnect is. And here are actual use cases for QuantConnect. QuantConnect allows you to test trading ideas against real market data. It allows you to identify and automate trading strategies. It allows you to compare multiple trading strategies variations and find the best one. It allows you to screen thousands of stocks and any other financial instruments by any criteria 24/7. It tracks live performance and gets alert when something gets wrong, and it connects to your live broker and executes your trades with your real money automatically. That's the real use cases for QuantConnect. In other words, QuantConnect is the systems of tools which allows you to fully automate your trading experience. And here is what Interactive Broker MCP is. And because Interactive Broker MCP, it is just MCP, which stands for Model Contact Protocols. It is just a systems of commands which allows you to talk to your portfolio as though it is your live assistant. For example, it allows you to see exactly where your money is and what is your current exposures. It allows you to research instruments such as stock, options, and other instruments before you're going to commit to investing in them. It allows you to turn your trading history into a clean performance report and allows you to check if automated strategy was working exactly as it was supposed to, and allows you to draft an order and hand it to yourself before you're going to execute it. And as you see here, the actual use cases for Interactive Broker MCP, they are different from the use cases of QuantConnect. They are more an overview and reporting level of what's going on with your portfolio. It is not going to allow you to execute orders automatically. It is not going to be doing any form of automations on your broker. It is just going to be allowing you to see where are the opportunities in the market, what am I doing currently right or wrong, and what I could do better. In other words, in the past, well, we were exporting all the statements from Interactive Broker and then importing them into your LLM to have a full analysis of what's going on. Right now, you can do that without any form of the export, simply by connecting Claude into Interactive Broker MCP and talk to your portfolio. That's the major difference. So if you're thinking that new Interactive Broker MCP is going to replace QuantConnect, it is not. Their use cases are different and they are made for their own different purposes. And I hope you find the value in this video. And if you want to know more about how to automate your trading strategies, how to identify the edge in the market, and how to improve your trading performance, I'm gonna drop the link in the description section down below to my school community where I'm gonna teach it. I'm gonna tell you exactly how to automate your trading strategies using QuantConnect, how to connect QuantConnect to your broker, how to find the best possible strategy using a cloud code, how to iterate it, and how to improve your trading performance. I'm gonna share everything I know with you in that community. Feel free to join if that's gonna be something of your interest. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.